Hey, it's Cherilyn, and I was the resident director at SRT from 2014 to 2016.
Hello, my name is Terrance and I'm the current resident assistant director at SRT. Now we're looking for our next directing resident.
I hear there's some questions about the residency program, so I'm here to answer them.
I think a good way to describe the residency program is that it's a boot camp for directors, and I find this to be very true because it's hard. The hours are long, it's tiring sometimes, but you absolutely go through everything that you need to know to be a director, from conceptualization to the design stage, to casting, to creative meetings, to rehearsals, tech, and finally shows. So every show is different and every process is always different. You get to learn a lot of different ways to approach directing and a lot of tools for your toolkit.
Why did you decide to apply? When I decided to apply, I was just out of college. I was just out of theatre school. I was looking for experiences and opportunities to really learn as a young director. And also I wanted to be part of Shakespeare in the Park. I was a huge fan of Shakespeare in the Park. So during my residency, I actually got to be part of 2 Shakespeare's in the Park.
I had a gig in Brunei and I was also developing my own musical script. You can still do your own outside work as long as you fulfill all your duties at SRT. And also when there are no shows, I was able to negotiate some time to do my own gig in Brunei, and also I took a part-time period during the residency to work on my own show, which I then produced into a musical.
I had directed a couple of pieces, but that was during college. But I really didn't have much professional experience other than interning and being kind of a production crew on different productions. What did you find useful about working with directors and designers on productions? Being able to see so many different ways of working, ways of running a rehearsal, ways of talking with actors, what works for some actors, what doesn't work for some actors, and also being able to see what could work for yourself, you know, being able to take notes, how to give notes to actors. I got to see so many different ways of doing that, and that really is a valuable experience to be able to observe so many different ways of doing things and finding for yourself what really works for you and honing that particular process for yourself.
Another thing that I found quite useful that was outside the rehearsal room was holding audition, and this really allowed me to meet a lot of people very fast. It allowed me to meet a lot of industry veteran actors as well very fast as well, and I thought that was very invaluable. One thing that surprised me about doing this residency was being part of a team, and as cheesy as this to say it, is that really being part of this family or so. Because as a freelancer, you are essentially working alone. All the jobs you're doing, you're working for yourself only, and it can be quite lonely to fight for this. But being part of a team, you really feel people supporting you, people really lending you a hand.
After I graduated from the residency program, I did collaborate with SRT again. I was the associate director on some of the little company shows, and most recently I got to direct my very first main stage show, which has, you know, always been a goal of mine to direct for SRT.
Please go to srt.com.sg/residency. You have to submit your CV and your application, and I look forward to hearing from you very soon.